Welcome to ElitmusZone. Let's solve this problem, Cryptarithmetic problem 1. Okay. So for solving this problem, what you have to do is simply write this question on your notebook. Okay. What you have to do is you have to identify the each digit corresponding to the alphabet. Okay. Means you have to find what is the value of P, what is the value of D, what is the value of A, like that. After finding all these values, okay, you have to answer 3 questions, okay, based on this problem only. Okay, so you have to give what is the value of A. Okay, you have to find what is the value of R plus A, P plus A plus D, and what is the value of P. Okay, if you are able to solve this problem, okay, you can easily score 30 marks in Iltmus exam. Okay, the questions will be very easy. Okay, what is the value of A, and like that only. Similar questions will be asked in the exam. Okay, so let's solve this problem first. Okay, so firstly write it on your notebook. Okay, the problem is APD cross AD RPAD DDCD DPCED. Okay, so firstly what you have to do is you have to collect some clues. Means you have to find how to proceed, how to start solving this problem. Okay, so you have to collect some hints. Okay, the first hint which you can see here is the value of P plus C is coming as C. Okay, so in this case, if any arithmetic problem satisfies this relation, okay, so means P plus C is equal to C. Okay, means then the possible value of P will be 9. Okay, for more details you can go to this this tutorial. Okay, and it is going to rule 2, rule 1, case 2. Okay, okay, so now we have the value of P is equal to 9. Okay, so what we have to do is just put P is equal to 9 and rewrite the problem again. Okay, now the resulting problem will be like A9D AD R9AD DDCD and D9CED. Okay, now analyze the problem once again. Okay, you have to find if any more clue is there or not. Okay, so second clue which you can find is very easy. D cross D coming as D. Okay, this is only possible when the value of D will be either 1, 5 or 6. Okay, so for more details you can go to this tutorial. Okay, rule 2. Okay, case 1 and case 2. Okay, means if the value of A cross A is coming as A last digit, okay, then the possible value of A will be either A 1, 5 and 6. Okay, how you can see here, when A is equal to 1 means 1 cross 1, the last digit is 1. Okay, when you are taking the value of A is equal to 5 means 5 cross 5, the resulting multiplication will result into 25 and the last digit will be 5. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to consider only the last digit. Okay, the same thing goes with when you are taking the value of A is equal to 6. Okay, means 6 cross 6, 36, the last digit is 6. Okay, so this will satisfy the relation like A cross A is equal to A. Okay, so here you can see that D cross D is coming as D. Okay, so the possible values of D is equal to 1, 5 and 6. Okay, now the value of D is equal to 1 will be rejected. Why? If you will take the value of D is equal to 1, okay, then the possible value of A9D, okay, think like that. If you are multiply A9D with D is equal to D is equal to 1 here, okay, the resulting value will be here, it will be A9D. Okay, this one A9D, but you have a different number here. Okay, so the value of value of D cannot be equal to 1. Okay, let's think twice. Okay, so now we have only two possible values for D, either D is equal to 5 or D is equal to 6. Okay, so you have to go with hit and trial approach with possible values of D, either D is equal to 5 or D is equal to 6. Okay, so now firstly take D is equal to 5. Okay, and rewrite the problem again. Okay, so the resulting problem will be like A9 5 A5 R9 A5 55C5 and 59CE5. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to analyze the problem once again. You have to find whether you are able to capture any more alphabet with the digits or not. Okay. So if you will see this problem very closely, okay, you can see that you can predict the value of R here. Okay. Why? Means, see, you can easily predict the value of R is equal to 3 because the means R plus 5 is coming as 9, correct? R plus 5 is coming as 9, okay? And from this addition 9CC you have one carry, okay? So from 9CC you have one query, means carry means R plus 1 carry plus 5 is equal to 9, okay? R plus 1 as carry which is coming from this addition 9CC plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, so hence the value of R will be can be 3 only. Okay, now the problem reduces to, okay, A9 5 cross A5 39 A5 and 55C5 and 59CE5. Okay, now you have one more clue here, okay, to proceed for the solution. Okay, you can see that a cross 5 is coming as 5. Okay, this is only possible when the value of a will be either 3, 7 or 9. Okay, think like that. 5 cross 3 15, the last digit is 5. 5 cross 7 35, the last digit is 5. 5 cross 9 45, the last digit is 5. Okay, so you have three possible values for a, okay, 3, 7, 9. Okay, but since you have already taken the value of R is equal to 3, okay, hence a cannot be equal to 3. Okay, in Cryptarithmetic each variable should have unique and distinct values. Since you have already taken value of R is equal to 3, okay, so value of a cannot be equal to 3. Okay, so now the possible values of a is equal to 7 and 9. Okay, so now you have to try hit and trial with the possible value of a. Okay, firstly let's take a is equal to 7, okay, and put it in the multiplication problem. Okay, now once you will put the value of a is equal to 7 in the problem, okay, the problem will look like a 795 cross 75 3975 55CE5 59CE5. Okay, now you can easily predict the value of C and 5. Okay, so the value of E will be 2, okay, and the value of C is 6. Okay, so after putting the value of A is equal to 7, okay, you have to check the last step. Last step means you have to check whether after replacing the letters by their digits, the resulting arithmetic operations must be correct. Means you have to check whether means the value of a is equal to 7 is satisfying in the whole problem. It should not be like the value of a is coming as 7 in this at this point, and you are getting the value of a is equal to 3 or a is equal to 5 at this point. Okay, so you have to just cross verify, okay, whether it is satisfying these three rules or not. Okay, I hope you got the idea how to solve this problem. Okay, now you can see the solution of this problem is like, okay, so value of a is equal to 7, p is equal to 9, d is equal to 5, r is equal to 3, c is equal to 6, and e is equal to 2. Okay, means 795 cross 75. Okay, so based on this value you can easily answer these three questions. What is the value of a? Okay, so the value of a is coming as 7. Okay, so for this one you have to mark as C. Okay, what is the value of r plus a, r plus p plus a plus d? Okay, r p a d. Okay, just add these values, you will get 24, and now the option value will be d. Okay, what is the value of p? In this case you can see it is value of p is 9. Okay, so hence the for answer for third question will be D. Okay, so it's very easy. You can go through the video and solve it. If you are facing any difficulty, please go through the tutorial. Okay, I hope you got the idea. Thanks for watching.